Burst Plus Concentrated Rotary Dry Foam Carpet Shampoo is a state-of-the-art answer to maintaining all types of carpeting, including stain-resistant. It generates a high foam that goes deep to clean and brighten carpet when used through either a rotary or dry foam machine. This is possible through the exclusive EPT encapsulation technology, which surrounds and encapsulates soils and then dries them to a non-sticky powder to be easily vacuumed out. The non-butyl water-soluble solvents rapidly penetrate oil, grease, and dry soils. Bring back the beauty and vibrancy of your carpets with Burst Plus.